I'd like to welcome you if you're new to the channel. I'm Danny with Escape Power Sports, and today we're working on something a little different. It ain't a Polaris, and it ain't a Can-Am. Today we're working on something called a Honda Foreman. And in this video I plan to share with y'all the step-by-step procedure I use to change the air filter on a Honda Foreman. As far as tools required, it's a short list. All we need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And for parts, we'll just need some air filter oil spray and maybe some air filter cleaner spray if you plan to reuse your old filter, and of course a new filter if you're replacing it. It's a quick and easy one beer job. Let's get right into it. So I got this straightforward job started by removing the seat. And this O2 seat releases with a tab in the rear passenger side of the bike. But newer models have the release handle under the back of the seat. Then I was able to locate and remove the air filter box's lid with its 4 retaining clips. Now hopefully, as you can see here, I'm loosening the Phillips hose clamp that secures the filter in the front. Now I think it's a great idea to go ahead and remove this seat and lid every couple rides or so to visually inspect the air filter so this critical part doesn't end up this filthy before it's cleaned or replaced. Then with our hose clamp all the way loose, we can just simply pull the air filter back off the intake tube and then up and out. So to replace or thoroughly clean the filter, we'll need to simply unthread this bracket off the back and then slide that foam filter off that inner metal part that holds it into place. Now seeing as this old filter ripped and crumbled in my hands, our only option is to replace it. And it's also probably a pretty decent idea to go ahead and clean up the box and lid with some shop towels before we install the new filter. So I figured I was just going to simply slide a new one on and just slap it back together. But I ended up spending probably 10 or maybe even more frustrating minutes wondering why the damn hose clamp wouldn't reach itself to tighten down. Before I realized the filter wasn't even on all the way and I just needed to pull it forward all the way over that inner metal housing part. With the filter slid all the way forward over that inner metal housing part properly, it was smooth sailing from there to line up the hole in the rear of the filter and rethread the little bracket on the back. And then I just dropped it in the box and slid it forward onto that intake tube and was able to easily secure it in place with our Phillips hose clamp. But the best part is then I got to remove it again because I forgot to apply an even coat of air filter oil to all the foam surfaces. But I got a feeling this job will be really easy for you and won't be half as frustrating since you're watching this video and learning from, or probably more likely laughing at my mistakes. But it looks like I finally have it back in there properly, so let's just pop the air lid back on and secure it with the 4 clips with the front label facing the front, slam the seat back on, and maybe go find us another beer. So I really hope you found this Honda air filter video helpful, and if you did, do me a quick favor and give the video a thumbs up. And I'd also really like to thank the over 1,000 of you guys who found some of the how-to content on this channel and decided to subscribe. And for those of y'all who are following along, those are beers number 142 on our way to finishing the Escape Power Sports 1,000 Beer Challenge. So I'd really like to encourage you, if you're new here, to subscribe so you don't miss any of the rest of the ATV maintenance videos we'll be putting out over the course of those 1,000 beers. I'd like to welcome you if you're new to the channel. I'm Danny with Escape Power Sports. I really want to thank y'all for watching, and as always, we'll see y'all on the trails.